There is something quietly reassuring about an oil-filled radiator. No blue flames, no glowing coils, no drama, just steady, patient warmth. The PELONIS oil-filled radiator leans fully into that philosophy and then adds modern brains, better safety, and a surprising amount of power behind its old-soul design. On paper, it is a 1,500-watt heater rated for spaces up to about 255 square feet. In real life, it ends up doing a lot more than just take the chill off. Those 108 volcano thermal vents and a 39.5% increase in heat dissipation area are not just marketing language. The fins spread heat slowly and evenly, so a room does not go from freezing to desert in 5 minutes. Instead, the space warms up in a calm, steady way that actually feels comfortable, even in vaulted living rooms or stubbornly cold bedrooms. Many homes use this heater as a quiet partner to central heating, especially in winter when the bills begin to sting. Large, drafty houses that once burned through hundreds of dollars just to feel livable now lean on 2 or 3 PELONIS radiators placed in key rooms. Instead of heating every corner of a 2,400 sq.ft home, this heater allows focus on the spaces that actually matter: the bedroom, the office, the bathroom. Turn the central thermostat down, let the radiator handle the rest. The real intelligence shows up in the modes. Eco mode trims energy use by up to 40%, constantly adjusting power to maintain a set temperature without waste. Sleep mode softens the experience at night, letting warmth match the way the body naturally cools as it rests. Memory mode quietly remembers preferred temperature settings, so there is no need to start from zero each time. The power levels, 600 watts, 900 watts, 1500 watts, and thermostat from 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit in single-degree steps, might sound like overkill, but in practice it is simple. Set the comfort zone once, fine-tune if needed, then forget about it. Silence is where this heater really wins. With no fan and noise levels under 5 dB, it is essentially soundless. Ceramic fan heaters might warm a room just as fast in theory, but they do it with a constant whoosh that wears on the nerves. The PELONIS radiator trades speed for serenity, heat that lingers, temperature swings that are softer, no blast of hot air in one direction and cold shadows in another. In a bedroom, that difference is huge. Sleep comes easier when the heater is not part of the soundtrack. Safety has clearly been treated as a non-negotiable. The heater is built with Vito flame-retardant materials, auto shutoff in case of overheating, tip-over protection, and a child lock to stop curious hands from exploring the controls. The body stays reasonably safe around furnishings, needing only a modest amount of clearance. The wheels and handle make it easy to roll from room to room, so it can live in the office by day and the bedroom by night without any strain. There are small, honest quirks. Like many heaters, there can be a faint odor at first use as paint and coatings cure. That passes. The unit is not a smart Wi-Fi device, but that can be a hidden blessing. A simple external smart plug can manage schedules if needed, without handing a 1,500-watt heating element over to the cloud. The bright display is easy to read and can auto-dim, staying visible when needed and unintrusive when not. PELONIS has been around long enough to become a familiar name in American households, and this model shows why that reputation still holds. The build quality is solid, the metal fins are cleanly finished, and the design looks more like a modern industrial radiator than a cheap appliance. It feels like something built for years, not one winter. In a world full of flashy gadgets and overpromised smart solutions, this heater plays a different game. It respects physics, respects the electricity bill, and respects the simple human desire to sit in a warm room without thinking about it. Turn it on, let it work, and winter suddenly feels a lot less hostile.